Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's John here again. So we're going to explore Buri Road today. And this is a significant thoroughfare through Bacolod. And it connects various commercial and residentials to area. And there's lots of development areas. As you see on the left, there is a new condo going to go up there. And as we come down, Buri Road, you will see some of the there's a new church being built. There is more condos being built. And this road has seen a lot of development in recent years, so it has become a hub for dining and a bit of shopping and some other commercial activities. But let's go down and see what we see. So the development that's going over on the left-hand side here is for a new church. So you can see it is quite a big size. And over there, just coming up on the left, that's the Nara residence. This is by Rockwell. And there are a few little restaurants in front, and we will cut through so you can see it. But there's going to be more of these condos being built along this road. So you can see these Nara residents, they've got good security here. I don't know how much they are, I've never had a look at these ones. So you can see some of the little restaurants on the side. There's a Japanese, there's an Indian, and I forget what the other one is now. Well, there's ample parking here, and if there's not enough parking on this side, you can just park over on the Old Days supermarket. Coffee project to the top end is really good, nice coffee. With this supermarket, you rarely see cars outside, but most people tend to walk here from Camilla, which is just around the corner. Now, Camilla on this side is actually quite nice. It does have some big houses and lots of space. So on the left hand side there's lots of little businesses, so come over to the right. To the left there is Smile Dentist Practice, and there are quite a few shops around there. There's a gym, there is Quinto's Cafe, the X Kitchen. So lots of comfort food places around here and around the back that you have to explore this area, because there's lots of food. Yes, there's a gym there, and there's the Olivium condos on the right that we passed, and I've done a video of one of them, so you can always go and have a look at it. So here's a residential area on the left. Down here there's lots of residential areas, so left and right. And that's why I've come down here, so you can actually see what's here. And you see the new McDonald's. It's finally open. They decided to open a McDonald's but didn't get the fire permits and wondered why they got shut down. So I will do a trip where it takes you down this left turn, because that actually goes through a lot of residential areas as well. Yeah, stupid man didn't really think what he was doing. So more road building on the left hand side. I'm not quite sure what that one's going to be at the minute. There's lots of small little eateries, fruit and veg shops down here, and little residential units or subdivisions, that are off here as well. Even though this is a busy thoroughfare with lots of residential units off, it's never chock-a-block with traffic, so it's actually quite good. And again, you've still got green spaces along here as well. New Negros Power, all painted nice green wall. Residential area on the left hand side. Quite a few places to get your bike washed or your car washed down here. You can got yourself a garage. New building on the right hand side, not quite sure what that is. Here on the left is a new strip, lots of little restaurants. It's too early for them at the minute, but later they all open up. So there's lots of little eateries opening up all over the place. The bottom on the left hand side of this road, you have the City Mall. As you can see, down I get up to the traffic because we're coming up to Laxon Street. Good thing about being on a bike, you miss most of this. So you can see Seymour there on the left. And if you're going, you just turn left and go into the underground car park, which is free. There are only small malls, only there's a few real shops, big supermarket, Super Sabres or something like that. And there's the little saris on the side. I'm going to cut through the garage and just pull over. Guys, I hope you've liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. Give us a like, and I hope you've enjoyed it. And catch you on the next video.